you po, Sir Pao! Sir Pao! Sir Pao! Sir Pao! Ayan, mamaya na yung surprise ko sa kanila. Bulong lang Stephen. Okay, thank you guys.
Pao! I love you, Pao! Pao!
Ano po yan? Parang bahay lang. Yes po.
Wala lang.
Ano ba ito? Anyway, thank you guys for coming. On behalf of the honor management, Stephen, Joby, I think Joby is here. Isan as well. Where are you, Isan? There you go. Alright. I'd like to thank each and every one of you for coming and for... Ayan, ang dami. Hindi na po kayo mapangalan natin isa-isa, baka po abutin na bukas, no? Memorize ko naman po lahat ang pangalan, no? Pero thank you to our media friends, to our KOL friends, our stars, our community friends. Ayan. Ayan. May mga alagad budget. Ayan. Well, anyway, good evening and welcome to our Thanksgiving celebration. It is great to see all of you once again before the year ends. And Merry Christmas advance po. I just want to take a moment to say a big thank you for joining us as we celebrate the amazing relationship we've built together for 2024 and since day one of Honor Philippines. I know I always say thank you. We always say thank you for coming to all our events. I think hindi ko na mabilang yung events namin this year. But we felt your support to our small wins and big wins. Kahit anong wins ka ng honor, you're there. So we truly felt your support and we really appreciate that. But before I continue, I'd like to share the stage to the people who worked hard for this event. The people behind tonight's event preparation. Siyempre, hindi lang naman ako yung nag-prepare for this. The people who are also behind the success of Honors events, from Honor XTV to all the Honor store openings from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. I think you know them very well. So I'd like to call on, of course, Dennis, our PR supervisor, our senior events officer, Martha, our events officer, and our new girl, Ishan, our tail officer. But of course, the people behind the marketing team, from digital to, of course, the brand, community, e-com. But I think you know them very well. So ito po ang team na nagtatrabaho tonight. Sila po ang nagtatrabaho ng lahat ng events ng Honor. Iyak, I think Riel can attest to that, right? Siya ang Iyak, Dugon Pants, sila po. So I think hindi lang po ako yung mag-share, but I think I'd like to share the microphone to Dennis. Yes.
Sino po muna? Ayan. So, first of all, from the bottom of my heart, thank you to everyone who came here today, who braved the traffic, the rain, and syempre bago-bago yung location natin. So, thank you. Wala akong masabi tonight, kundi puro pasasalamat lang ever since we started noong 2022. You've been here and sama-sama tayo sa lahat ng drop test, sa lahat ng splash test, lahat ng test. So, proven and tested tayo. Contest. So, yun lang. Sana mag-enjoy po tayo tonight at preview lang yung PS5 minor prize lang namin. Yun lang, thank you.
Tapos post kita sa kanya, tapos tag niyo po sila. Sarap. Real.
Medyo nawala yung...
Parang kanina po. Thank you po.
constant and unending support for Honor. Baka maiyak po kasi ako, mamaya na lang. Pero tulad nga na sinabi, minor prize pa lang yung PS5.
Yun lang. Ayan. Thank you and again, enjoy po everyone.